Dates are probably one of the most eaten thing during Ramadan and Eid. But let's make them something special and you don't need much, just a few toppings of your choice, some melted chocolate and of course some dates. Mine are pitted already but take the seeds out if your ones aren't. Nut butter really goes amazing with dates. Next, enrich them with some more nuts or even some rose petals and they will be so tasty. Put a toothpick inside and now melt some chocolate of your choice. Dip them in completely so they are fully coated. Dates are already sweet, but presenting them this way just makes them extra special and take my word for that. Now prepare the rest of them and play with the toppings and fillings. Finally, when they are all coated, you gotta rest them until they are solid. Make and enjoy them during Ramadan at your iftar, or you can put them in a simple box and they are already decorative. Makes a lovely gift for Eid. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more iftar and Eid recipes, please stay tuned. Bye.